Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about our environment. Your geography textbook first chapter is known as environment. Now we can discuss and study what is environment and what is the main features or what is the main components of environment. Environment means we can say like this. Environment is our basic life supporting system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, and the land where we live. All these things together is known as environment. Mainly three components we can see. That is, one is natural environment and human made environment, and third one is human environment. Mainly three components: natural and human made and human. These together we can say that environment. So first component and very important and basic component is that natural environment. Natural means it is not natural. It is not made by human beings. It is naturally originated. So example we can say land, water, air. All these things are naturally. There is no any interfere with for making these things. There is no interfere with the human beings. So that is natural. It is very important. We know that good environment is needed for our life. Very neat and clean and beauty environment is needed for us. So the natural environment is very important for our lives. So we have to care and clean this natural environment. Without this natural environment, we can't live. The second one is that we can say that human made environment. Human made we can see. If you look at your surrounding every day to day changes is happening. Or day by day, or week by week, year by year, our surroundings is many changes with the human beings happening. That is known as human made environment. For an example, if you say we are as human beings we are making for our better life buildings, dams, and road, canals, parks, all these things are known as human made environment. So it is for our human beings better life, human beings itself changing their environment for easiness of the life, for happiness of the life, they are changing their environment. That is known as human made environment. Last one is known as human environment. That is, we can say that individual, family, community, religion, and all these things are together is known as environment. So three components mainly we can study, that is natural environment and human made environment and human environment. Three components we can see. So I think you understood these things. So I am giving a work, that is you can draw a flow chart like this: components of environment and human made and natural and individual, and draw this flow chart, and for each components many examples, find out and make it in a box and arrange it. First one, natural environment examples and human made and human. For these examples, make a box and arrange also, and draw this diagram and study it. What is environment and what are the three main components of environment? These things you have to do in this period. Okay, thank you.